walls breathe color, frame by frame the ancient beats the new. You stand there in your black designer jacket, watching canvases seduce the room. Every surface holds a secret, every brushstroke hides and shows. This is how we see in the darkness. This is how the pain reveals. Canvas and light, canvas and light. The gallery knows what we feel. Piazzas turn to installation spaces. Wine-stained lips discuss the forms. They catalog desire in abstraction. Beauty dressed in avant-garde uniforms. Every surface holds a secret, every texture pulls you close. This is how we see in the darkness. This is how the pain reveals. Canvas and light, canvas and light. The gallery knows what we feel. You move through the exhibition like you're part of the display. Chiaroscuro on your faces, what the artist couldn't say. This is how we see in the darkness. This is how the pain reveals. Canvas and light, canvas and light. The gallery knows what we feel. In Verona where the walls breathe, in Verona where we see space between the frames.